you doing? Why are you smiling? Smiling is the only thing that is important. It's 22:04 in the afternoon here in the UK. What's so important is everything vital to life is happening for me right now. What is that? No, my bank account hasn't gone up. My stocks and shares hasn't gone down. My businesses are not improving. The friends and family are doing great. Remind yourself. All of this that you can run up here and be able to pronounce it through your vocal codes is only because you're still breathing and you're still alive and you're in transaction with this existence, the planet, the world, the universe. Every other life is in transaction with you. All vital to life is happening to you and to me. You're not breathing, it's happening to you. Your heart is beating. You're not doing anything. You had your breakfast, you had your lunch, and the entire digestive process from the time it touches your lip all the way to the stomach and to the end is happening for you. Every other organ in your body is happening for you. No organ in your body has gone on a selfish, greedy, self-interest, imperialistic enterprise idea has never occurred in the human body or the intelligence of its function. All of it is happening with a great precision, great intelligence, great and most incredible precision of life. Why? Because of a phenomenal life that is. Every cell, every microbe, every bacteria, every virus, everything in your body is happening in the most incredibly woven, integral, and integrated way that no naked eye, none of our five senses can ever able to grasp even a minuscule of what is going on right now. When life is this perfect, this accurate, this much in sync, this much in precision of living in a constant inclusive transaction, it's time to bow down. It's time to relate our lives to the most fundamentals of what is to be a human. And that is to simply remind ourselves our mortality, remind ourselves of our fragility, remind of ourselves of uncertainty, remind ourselves of everything we do is a snapshot of our conscious existence. And once you realize this, and if you're still alive at 4 o'clock, smile all by yourself. This is the greatest protein or greatest energy, greatest importance in everyone who's struggling to cope with their own in these very challenging and incredibly different times of our human situation that we face on the planet. The planet is in perfect geometry. The sun came out, the moon is there, the stars are shining at night, the clouds are moving, the rain showers, storm, thunder, rivers are flowing, mountains are growing, plants are changing life. It's living in a perfect way. Why should we get tangled in our minuscule, puny ideas and cripple us and find an excuse to say it's a mental pandemic, it's this, it's that, it's this, it's that? No, there aren't any such things that you run up in your head. The world is happening for you. It's spinning and it's hurtling around in the sphere. It's not been hung by or attached to a string or a cable somewhere. It's all incredible. No, nothing is collided up there. Not that you could see from your naked eyes of your current faculties, even with the binoculars, telescopes, Hubble, and all sorts that we've created on the planet. We've still not been able to know anything. Scientists have simply given up the ideas of the existence. And it is time to start up realizing to simply become a beautiful life by woven into a fabric of this phenomena, what is called consciousness. May you be well, may you be healthy, and long live your existence here with the very life we have. Be joyful, be pleasant in your thought, be pleasant in your body, be pleasant in your imaginations, be pleasant in every way that you are as a human being. Once you achieve this, once you have grasped a tiny little of it, the entire way, the very way that you becomes a pleasantness in every way. How you see, touch, feel, sense, taste. Senses will rise, senses will throb with energy and joy, pleasantness, exuberance, and all of this. Thank you. And may you be safe and healthy always.